Once angles completed, now come to derivative of angle is a angular velocity. Angular velocity related to incident ray and reflected ray. So these two relations now today's topic. Yes, first, what is angular velocity? How this incident ray and reflected ray related? One by one. Just watch. Students, here, this is one reflecting surface. Example, plane mirror I have taken. This is the plane mirror, reflecting surface. Now, it is normal to reflecting surface. Normal to reflecting surface. This is the normal. This is the reflecting surface. Now, incident ray making an angle theta. Yes, from principle of reflection, reflected ray also will make an angle theta with normal. So this is the principle of reflection. Already we know. Even vector form also we know. Yes, now students, this angle theta, this is also theta. Here angles we are measuring with respect to normal to the reflecting surface. With respect to this normal, angle theta. With respect to normal, angle theta. Yes, carefully observe now this point. This is the incident light ray. Incident. Now I am rotating the incident light ray. Suppose this incident light ray now rotated through an angle, suppose 10 degrees. Example now I am taking. Suppose this is original direction of incident light ray. Now this incident light ray rotated. Which direction rotated? Clockwise direction rotated. Through an angle 10 degrees, just 10 degrees. Before rotation, angle of incidence is a theta. That's why reflected ray also theta. Now, this is new incident light ray. New incident light ray is making an angle theta minus 10. Theta minus 10. But from principle of reflection, angle of reflection equal to angle of incidence. Now here angle of incidence is a theta minus 10. That's why angle of reflection also should be theta minus 10. That means as incident ray rotates through 10 degrees in clockwise direction, reflected ray rotates through anti-clockwise direction, but the same angle 10 degrees. Right? Now here, incident light ray is rotating in clockwise direction. How many degrees rotated? 10 degrees rotated, suppose. Now reflected light ray also rotated through 10 degrees. But in opposite, that means here clockwise, here anti-clockwise. Here anti-clockwise. That means angular velocity of this reflected light ray is opposite to angular velocity of incident light ray. Suppose incident light ray is rotating in clockwise direction, reflected light ray will rotate in anti-clockwise, that is counterclockwise direction. Suppose incident light ray will rotate in counterclockwise direction, then reflected ray goes in clockwise direction, both opposite. Yes, now conclusion is angular velocity of reflected light ray is minus into, because direction opposite, angular velocity of incident light ray. Yes, so students, here angular velocity of reflected light ray is minus angular velocity of incident light ray. Suppose incident light ray is rotating with 5 radian per second in clockwise, then reflected light ray will rotate with same 5 radian per second but in anti-clockwise. So that is angular velocity, symbol is omega, means for 1 second how many degrees or how many radians rotating, that is known as the angular velocity. Angular velocity of reflected light ray is nothing but minus into angular velocity of incident light ray. Magnitude wise same, but direction is opposite. It is clockwise, it is anti-clockwise. Suppose if it is anti-clockwise, it is clockwise. Now come to second observation. Yes, now it is reflecting surface normal line. Reflecting surface on a normal line. This is incident light ray making an angle theta. Reflected light ray also making an angle theta. This we know already. Now, incident light ray is not rotating. That is a fixed. Incident light ray is fixed. Now reflecting surface is rotating. As reflecting surface rotating, normal to reflecting surface also will rotate. So now reflecting surface rotated by 10 degrees in suppose clockwise direction. Now this is the reflecting surface, new direction, new orientation. How many degrees rotated? 10 degrees rotated in clockwise direction. So as mirror, that is reflecting surface rotated through 10 degrees, obviously normal line also will be rotated. Because reflecting surface, so normal line always perpendicular to each other. As mirror rotated, automatically normal line also should rotate. So that's why now new normal line, this is the new normal line. This is the previous normal line, this is the new normal line. New normal line also rotated through an angle 10 degrees. Right? Now, with respect to new normal line, angle of incidence is a theta plus 10 degrees, right? With the original normal line, just theta. Now with the new normal line, theta plus 10 degrees. Theta plus 10. But students, we know principle of reflection, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. But here, what is the angle of incidence with the new normal line? Theta plus 10. That's why with the new normal line, angle, this is the new reflected ray. With the new normal line, angle of reflection also theta plus 10 degrees. But students, with the original normal, this line, how many degrees? Theta. Now, from here to here, theta plus 10. But here already 10 is there. That means with the original normal line, what is the angle made by new reflected light ray? Theta plus 20 degrees. Theta plus 20 degrees. So that means as a mirror rotated by 10 degrees in clockwise direction, reflected ray also rotate in same direction, that is clockwise, but not 10 degrees, 20 degrees. Yes, now students see here, this from here to here angle is at 20 degrees, because from here to here theta, but from here to here theta plus 20, that's why here to here 20 degrees. So this is original reflected ray, now present reflected ray. From original to present, angle of rotation is at 20 degrees. That means it is twice of angle rotated by our reflecting surface, that is a plane mirror. So that's why now conclusion is angular velocity of reflected light ray. Angular velocity of reflected light ray. Angular velocity means angle rotated in 1 second. Angle rotated in 1 second is angular velocity. This angular velocity of reflected light ray equal to 2 into angular velocity of reflecting surface, indirectly mirror. M stands for mirror here. M represents mirror. Yes, now angular velocity of reflected light ray. Angular velocity of reflected light ray is 2 times of angular velocity of the mirror. But students, suppose this mirror rotated by 10 degrees in clockwise, reflected light ray also rotate in same clockwise but 20 degrees, twice of this. Suppose if it is 5 degrees, here 10 degrees. Yes, twice. But here incident light ray, no any change. Incident light ray is not rotating at all. Only mirror and reflected light ray, these two only now rotating. But in the first example, students, mirror is not rotating. Mirror is not rotating. Incident light ray is rotating, reflected light ray is also rotating. Yes, here angular velocity of reflected light ray equal to minus into angular velocity of incident light. Their angular velocity of reflected light ray equal to 2 into angular velocity of mirror. But here direction is the same, here magnitude is the same. Here magnitude twice, here direction opposite. So from this, angular velocity of reflected light ray equal to 2 into angular velocity of mirror minus angular velocity of incident light ray. Suppose both incident light ray and mirror both are rotating, suppose. Angular velocity of reflected light ray equal to 2 into angular velocity of mirror minus angular velocity of incident light ray. Suppose both are rotating, incident as well as reflecting surface. So this is angular velocity of a reflected light ray. Reflected light ray. Okay. Yes. Now, suppose both are rotating. One example I will give. Just wait. Now here mirror. Now normal line. Incident ray. And this is the reflected light ray. Here incident light ray is rotating in anti-clockwise direction with 2 radian per second. Suppose 2 radian per second. Anti-clockwise direction 2 radian per second. It's angular velocity. Now reflecting surface. This is the reflecting surface. Reflecting surface rotating in clockwise direction with 3 radian per second. Incident light ray is rotating with 2 radian per second. Mirror, that is reflecting surface, is rotating clockwise direction with 3 radian per second. 3 radian per second, suppose. Example after. Now you need angular velocity of reflected light ray. Yes, students, here you need to consider one direction, that is either clockwise or anti-clockwise positive. Another direction is a negative. That is your choice. There is no any restriction. Suppose if you take clockwise positive throughout the completion of a problem, you should consider same clockwise as a positive. Suppose anti-clockwise positive, any other student suppose consider, no problem. But once now you assumed any one convention, suppose clockwise positive, suppose anti-clockwise positive, throughout the problem you should use the same convention. That's why there are no any restrictions. You can use. Now here I am using clockwise positive, counterclockwise negative. I am using just. You can use now counterclockwise positive, clockwise negative also. That's your choice. Okay, here one example I am using like clockwise positive. Yes, here clockwise positive, counterclockwise negative I am taking. That's all. Yes, now our target is angular velocity of reflected light ray. But already we know principle, angular velocity of reflected light ray is equal to 2 into angular velocity of mirror. But mirror angular velocity is a 3 and it is clockwise. Clockwise means we assumed positive. That's why 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 minus angular velocity of incident light ray. See only incident light ray. 2 radian per second example taken. But which direction it is in? Counterclockwise direction. But counterclockwise direction we consider as a negative. That's why it is minus 2. Minus plus. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 radian per second. But finally, your answer positive or negative? Yes, your answer is a positive. Positive already you considered for clockwise, right? That's why your final answer, reflected light ray, in this present example, rotating with 8 radian per second in clockwise direction. In clockwise direction. That is final conclusion. Suppose one student taken clockwise as a negative, counterclockwise as a positive. No doubt. That also that. Yes, suppose clockwise is a negative. Okay. Yes, angular velocity of reflected light ray equal to 2 into angular velocity of mirror clockwise, but clockwise you consider negative, that's why minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 minus omega I. Omega is a counterclockwise direction, but you assumed counterclockwise as a positive. So that's why this is plus 2, minus of plus 2. Here minus 6, here minus 2, total minus 8. So answer came in negative minus 8. But you assumed minus for what now? Clockwise direction. That's why again answer is 8 clockwise. That's why once you taken any one particular convention, clockwise positive, counterclockwise negative, throughout completion of the problem, yes, you should use the same convention. Yes, anything you can take, clockwise positive or clockwise negative, that is your choice. Both are explained. Okay, now from here to here, clearly right now, then I will explain it. Yes, this is the final angular velocity of reflected light ray is nothing but 2 into angular velocity of mirror minus angular velocity of incident light ray. To understand this, one example here I explain. But in this problem, one convention required. That convention your choice, no any obligation for that. Clockwise positive I consider, counterclockwise negative I consider. You will consider in opposite direction also. Same answer you will get finally. What is the final answer? Yes, magnitude or direction you need to mention. Answer you need not write plus and minus. Your target is only clockwise or anti-clockwise and magnitude. So that final answer again you need to decode with same your convention. So this is angular velocity of incident light ray, reflected light ray and mirror. These three angular velocities relation is here. So all students please remember that relation. Angular velocity of reflected light ray equal to 2 times of angular velocity of mirror, that is reflecting surface, minus angular velocity of incident light ray. Incident